wondered what all these numbers and letters mean on oil? Well, I definitely have. So I've brought in Dave, who works with Castrol, to help explain them. So Dave, what does all this mean?
It's a minefield. No, it's quite simple, really. Decades ago, vehicles used to have 2 oil changes a year. They used to have a thicker oil for the summer, and they used to have a thinner oil for the winter.
To help with the weather changes and the thickness?
Absolutely correct, yeah. So let's just look at water and honey. They both have 2 different viscosities, one's thicker, one's thinner. Fast forward to present day, we now look at multi-grades oils. So now they've combined the 2 viscosities. The W means winter, the 0 is the viscosity that they would have used in the winter to help it flow around the engine better, and then the 30 is what they would have used in the summer.
So it's almost combining the 2 to save for those different oil changes.
Correct.
And to help with the weather.
Absolutely. So instead of having 2 oil changes a year, you can just have the 1 now.
That's perfect. So that's actually quite less scary than what the numbers actually perceive. So thank you very much, Dave.
You're very welcome.
And if you guys want to find out more, head to EdenTyres.com.